Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Are you looking for simple, natural ways to achieve glowing, youthful skin? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful skincare remedies that will leave your skin looking younger and more radiant, using ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's dive in. First up, we have a classic, the honey and lemon mask. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it locks in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that help fight signs of aging. Lemon, on the other hand, is full of vitamin C and works as a natural astringent, brightening your complexion and reducing dark spots. To make this mask, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off with warm water. Use this once a week for a natural glow. Remedy 2. Aloe Vera Gel. Next up is Aloe Vera Gel, one of nature's best skincare remedies. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help soothe and hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. It's especially great if you're dealing with sunburn, acne, or just need an extra moisture boost. Simply scoop out fresh aloe vera gel from the plant, or use store-bought pure aloe vera gel. Apply it directly to your face and leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing with cool water. It's gentle enough to use daily, and over time, you'll notice smoother, softer, and more radiant skin. Remedy 3. Green Tea Toner. Let's talk about green tea toner. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly EGCG, which helps fight inflammation and protect the skin from damage. It's a great way to tone your skin, tighten pores, and refresh your complexion. To make this toner, brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Once cool, transfer the tea to a spray bottle and mist it onto your face after cleansing. You can also apply it with a cotton pad. It's gentle enough to use daily, and it will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Remedy 4. Coconut Oil for Moisturizing. Our 4th remedy is coconut oil, another versatile ingredient that works wonders for your skin. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids, making it an excellent natural moisturizer. It penetrates deep into the skin, keeping it soft and supple, while also providing antioxidant benefits to combat premature aging. After cleansing your face at night, warm a small amount of coconut oil in your hands and gently massage it into your skin. Let it absorb overnight and wake up to softer, more nourished skin. If you have oily skin, just use it sparingly as a spot treatment. Remedy 5. Oatmeal and Yogurt Exfoliating Scrub. Finally, we have an oatmeal and yogurt exfoliating scrub. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells, while also soothing the skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps dissolve dead skin and tighten pores, giving you a smoother and brighter complexion. To make this scrub, mix 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions, then leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Use this once or twice a week to reveal fresh, glowing skin. So there you have it, 5 easy, natural remedies for glowing, youthful skin. Whether you're looking to hydrate, brighten, or soothe your skin, these simple treatments can work wonders. Remember, consistency is key with any skincare routine, so try to incorporate these remedies into your weekly regimen for the best results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more natural beauty tips. Have you tried any of these remedies? Let me know in the comments below.